everybody, this is Fadi from 4 High Adventure. I cannot wait to install this today. It's been sitting on my counter for almost a week and I've been dying to open it up, dying to install it because I just can't wait to get it in here. Right now I'm using a motorcycle attachment that is on a handle on both the driver and passenger side. And I always worry when I have the windows down, and especially when I'm going on a trail, that the phone sits right there next to the window with all the rocking and shaking, that phone goes out the window and onto the trail and under my tires. So I'm looking forward to installing this right now. I'm gonna try to do this with limited editing as much as I can so we can get this taken care of quickly. I am super excited. Let's do an unboxing. Okay, so here we go. Limited editing. Let's unbox this puppy. So this is from Bulletproof Mounting Solutions. Let's see what we got here. Love the box, by the way. And I am doing this in the back of the Jeep. Where else? Let's see here. We got a decal. Let's do this. Got a decal. Love it. Suggestions. Put that there. Instructions. Do we need them? No, that's why we're doing this video. So let's take these. Put them right there. Let's see what's in here. Ooh, look at this. All right. First off, let's take a look at this. Here's the mounting. 2 balls. The screw from the dashboard goes in there. Going to peel this off, stick it right on there. Ooh, it's got double side too. Okay, so we got that one there. This is what I'm looking forward to. The mount. I chose to do this mount instead of that magnetic one, just because when I am on the trail, I do like to take my phone out and do commentary, or a lot of times we're stopping and we're going out and I need to film. So that's pretty snug. This has some good weight to it too. It has really good weight to it. Feels pretty good. Got some ribbed edges there. I don't know if you can see that. This is kind of rubber, so the phone sits on there. That looks good. So far, so good. All right, we got the first mount. It's got some good weight to it too. We've got the 2 sides here. One end goes here. The other end goes there. Nice size. Hopefully I won't need a longer one. We'll see how that's going to go. Looks like I need to adjust the tightening on and off. Okay, that works. This is for the GoPro. So if you have a GoPro, which I do, this is the mount for it. So again, this would go on this ball here, and you put the GoPro on there. Excited to see that. Oh, look at that. Little GoPro mount. See what that's about. Okay, I don't know what this is. I know it's a bullet. I know it's a cartridge. But what do I do with it? Is it a beer opener? I don't know. Is it a whistle? Does it unscrew? No? Okay, I might have to take a look at that. I really don't know what this is for. It does have a notch right here. I'm not sure what that's for. I don't know. Maybe it is a whistle. Anyway, let's get this install going. Here we go. So inside the Jeep, I'm going to choose to take my Freedom top off on the passenger side because I do have a dash cam that I'd like to rewire because this keeps coming off. So I'm going to take this off. I'm going to re-cable manage this. Also, I might have to reposition it so that I can do the install on the Bulletproof Mounting system here on the dashboard. So in case you've never taken your Freedom tops off, really quickly, there are these knobs here, 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 and here. And basically you just twist these off. This you pull out just like that. There's also this right behind you. If you take a look, it's located right about here. So if you unscrew that, that's going to release the top just like that. So I'm going to go ahead and speed through this, take this off. We'll cable manage this and get this puppy installed. All right, so to give you an idea of what is going on in here, I'm going to switch the camera up. But if you have not done so, this does come off. Mine was a little snug, so I just kind of had to wiggle it, pull it off. But this tray completely comes off. Super easy. Now I cheated a little bit and took this off already to see what it was. And this is a number 7, so metric number 7. You'll be able to get this right out. It's my first day with tools. Number 7 metric, and once you get that loose, that's what you're looking at. Not too big. I'm going to set that right there. Clean this. I'm just using water and a towel. I also have a microfiber that I'm going to get this front where the adhesive is going to go on. And look at that, I just lost a screw. How about it? So this, yeah, it's going to go like that. Oh, that's going to be cool. Oh, yeah. Okay. So let's make sure these line up. Oh, man. Okay. For some reason, I thought this was going to sit up here, which I'm very happy this is going to sit here because you can still put sunglasses or charging or whatever you got going on back here. That's nice. Okay. So, take this off. Let's give it another wipe. All right. There we go. I'm doing this in my garage, and there is a person whistling while they're walking. All right, so the adhesives are off. I gave it a nice wipe down. Put this in, align it. I want to make sure that is okay. Set them in there. A little pressure. Trying to keep the pressure on so that adhesive trying to do minimum editing on this, trying to do it all in one take. Yeah, nice and snug. Okay, that is nice and snug there. Okay, so first one, let's see here, take this. Okay, so these come off. There's a bolt right here, so when you loosen this up, just be careful you don't go crazy and it drops off. See, I think I want it this way. I'm gonna keep it together as I put this in here. There we go. Oh, that's gonna be nice. Okay, let's tighten this up. I'm gonna get both of these on here, and then I will sit back and make the adjustment. So much for a quick video, huh? Dang, that's a lot more solid than I thought. All right, let's get the GoPro on here. So again, when you unbolt these, you see how that bolt sits in its home? So as I undo this, this comes off. So you want to push this down while you're tightening or loosening this so it doesn't completely come off. I've done that many times, believe me. Okay. You know what? I'm going to move this. We'll do this. Okay. And this is cool too because it's on a ball pivot system. You can angle it depending on what you like. So I'm going to try to keep this as straight as I can. Again, I'm going to make adjustments. Okay, now my favorite. Let's see how this goes. Let's see here. Can you all see this? Let me turn this a little bit. Mild adjustment. Nice. Oh, check this out. Wow. Wow. I'm going to take the camera over here. Okay, so I've got the adjustment on here facing me, and I'll get into the driver's seat here in a minute. But something that I noticed that was kind of cool, loosen this up. I mean, you can, with the ball system, if I want the phone turns more towards me, I can turn the ball this way. So you're doing it that way, or turn this up and down, depending on if you're tall or short, or just any kind of modification. But this ball setup is pretty genius. I'm gonna tighten that back up. So when you're done, it should look like this. And that's pretty sturdy. And that looks good. Okay, let's get in the driver's seat and check this out. So I do have to say, after reviewing both of the video, the GoPro I think did a little bit better job, only because of the iPhone 11 having that 6-inch extension, which did leave a little bit of leeway as we went on the bumps. But if you look at the video again, the front of the Jeep, my hood, was going all kinds of crazy directions, and overall both footage is pretty good depending on which one you are using. The GoPro did stop recording for a little bit, so I was forced to kind of use the phone, which is fine. And I got the GoPro working again. But honestly, I'm very happy with the setup. I'm very happy with the Bulletproof Mounting system. Plan to use the GoPro a lot more and have the iPhone as a backup. I'm actually sitting here doing this video with my iPhone on the Bulletproof Mounting system. So I want to thank everybody. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please subscribe. Until next time, please be safe on the trails. Talk to you soon.